So a lot of people always want to know, how much power does this house is going to use with electricity? And so we have about 235 feet of C9 bulbs. We have 6 strands of minis. We have a wreath. And a lot of times people are like, well, how much is it going to take my electricity? And how many bulbs can I get? So I'm going to show you today this kilowatt meter and how it works. So if DJ quits making a lot of noise, we're going to unplug this here. We're going to plug our kilowatt meter in right now. We're going to plug it back in, and it's 0. Nope, that's not it. We're going to go down here to where it says amps, and we're at 1.34 amps. So this whole display, 235 C9s with 2 sets of minis, is only running 1.34 amps. That is why we like LEDs and not incandescents. In the old days, this here would have been at least 2 different plugs that we would have had to plug into. And so that is what's cool about doing Christmas lights and how you are able to do them. And it's just good to have this meter. You don't need this meter. The only reason why I like this meter now is for troubleshooting. In the old days, you had to use it on every house because you were getting close to 7 to 10 amps on every house. But you can see 235 amps on here, or 235 C9 bulbs, 6 sets of minis, and a wreath, and we're at 1.34 amps. How many amps are you all running on your houses? It's always fun to see. If you need Christmas lights, go check out christmaslight.io and you can get all the Christmas lights you need there. Hope to see you in my next video.